From the dashboard, go to the sidebar and click on Asset tab and choose List Asset Groups. Create the asset group using the Add button and type in the name. In this tutorial, we are naming the new asset groups as second-hand and brand new equipments. Once done, click Save. The Asset module is fully integrated with the Finance module. This feature in the Fleetnetics system will help you post entries in your journal. You can edit the posting setting if it differs for the different asset groups. Tick the box off if you want to automatically post the added fixed asset, its additional cost, the depreciation value, disposal, or any transfer of fixed asset. You can also change the settings per account here. You can view and verify the posting setting you just made by clicking on this button with an eye icon. You can also delete the posting setting you previously created by clicking on this trash icon. If both asset groups have the same posting setting, setting up the posting accounts in the asset settings will be sufficient. To add the fixed asset, choose the vehicle preferred. Tag it under the appropriate asset group. Asset numbers are automatically generated. You may opt to indicate a reference number. For this tutorial, we will leave it blank. Select the appropriate branch. Indicate the purchase date of the fixed asset. Fill in the cost upon purchase. Then type in the number of months that this asset will be functional. And then, indicate the residual value of the fixed asset. The depreciation amount will be automatically calculated when left blank. You may also opt to type in a description for this fixed asset. You can preview the generated details first before saving it. Otherwise, click on the Save button. In this module, you can see the vehicle information, the generated depreciation details, journal entries, related documents, and the history of any modifications made for this particular asset. You can modify using the Edit button from the Overview tab, delete this asset, update details, add cost, or dispose. Just fill in the mandatory fields with appropriate information. Then click Save. You can see the depreciation value every month of each vehicle by using the depreciation function from the Asset module earlier. Since Fleetnetics modules are fully integrated, these fixed assets are linked to your vehicles. Go to the Vehicle module and select all lists of your internal vehicles. Search for the vehicle number and select from the list. You can see that the Vehicle module is integrated with various modules in the system. You can find the fixed asset details from the Asset tab. Generate the report for your fixed assets from the Asset Report tab. Select the period you want to retrieve. Then click the Submit button. Or click on the Export button instead. Then click the Get File button to save on your computer as a spreadsheet. For asset addition and disposal reports, select the period by choosing the start of the year and month on the first row drop-down. Then choose the ending year and month on the second row. Then click the Submit button.